First of all, Soul Family would like to welcome everybody here at the Tony Towers Foundation. First, I'd like to introduce our wonderful MC, Joe Piscopo, legendary comedian, performer of stage, film, and radio host. He has brought tremendous joy to so many lives. He has been a great supporter of our foundation. Everybody give a good hand for Joe Piscopo.
Live from New York, make some noise! We love you guys. Piscopo live at, you know what? I am so proud to be in the shadow of the Freedom Tower, the greatest city on planet Earth, New York City. We show the world how great we are. We join together. We have character as Americans. I stand before you as a great part of the Stiller Foundation, proud to be an American.